Buyer's Guide for DJI Phantom 3 Standard Drone. The standard DJI Phantom 3 series is a ready-to-fly drone with many professional features. Here's everything you need to know about the DJI Phantom 3 for sale. What are the camera specs on the DJI Phantom 3 standard drone? The DJI Phantom 3 camera has the following high-performance specifications. Image sensor. The DJI Phantom 3 has a 2.3 CMOS image sensor. Lens. The DJI Phantom 3 has a 12 megapixel camera lens. Depth of field. The 94-degree, 20mm focal length, 2.8 aperture lens gives you a wide angle with plenty depth of field. ISO. 100 to 1600 ISO range for photo, 100 to 3200 for video allows you to capture shots in a wide range of environmental light. Shooting modes. Burst shooting at 3, 5, or 7 frames per second. Time-lapse mode. What are the connectivity options with the DJI Phantom 3 standard drone? The drone Phantom 3 connects to a mobile phone or live view through DJI Go mobile app. It also uses a native remote controller for flight control. It uses micro SD card for storage and also connects to a computer via micro USB. Max flight time for DJI Phantom 3 standard drone. The DJI Phantom 3 has a max flight time of approximately 25 minutes depending on wind resistance and flight speed. What is the DJI Phantom 3 video recording capability? The Phantom 3 captures video in many different formats for your convenience. Its 3-axis gimbal creates smooth motion with fluid pitch, roll, and yaw. These video options for the Phantom 3 add to its extraordinary performance. 2.7K video at 24, 25, or 30 frames per second. Full HD 1920 video at the same 25, 24, and 30 frames per second. 720p video at 24, 25, 30, 48, 50, or 60 frames per second. The DJI Phantom 3 drone has max video bitrate of up to 40 megabytes per second and supports both MP4 and MOV MPEG-4 video files. Its 20mm lens is a 35mm equivalent while shooting video, and at f2.8 captures a wide range of details even at great distances. What accessories are available with the DJI Phantom 3? The DJI Phantom 3 standard drone comes with propellers, battery, remote control, 8 gigs memory card, and charging cord. You can also find carrying cases, gimbals, extra propellers, extended life batteries, and other helpful accessories for the DJI Phantom 3. This content is provided for informational purposes only. This YouTube channel is not affiliated with or endorsed by DJI Drones.